the owner of this 110 is going to come and pick it up. This Ghana 110 is coming for it tomorrow. And I've sort of put it all back together again. He's going to get a head and a turbo apparently. But I thought I'll take it for a run because with the camera in. Because I'd just been down at the petrol station for some refreshments. And it seems awfully advanced but no power. But what I was concerned about was, I just went to put some, check the oil, and remember it was low when the car came in, if you can remember from the very first episode. I've just put 4 litres of oil in this thing. 4 litres! Now, there's no leaks. Well, it's unusual, isn't it? But there's no leaks, but where's it going to? I don't know. Now, I didn't change the oil, because if we're going to do some work on the engine, like take the head off, well, we'd have to change it again, so we might as well just change it once. Oh, where's the cat-like key now? Wait a minute. Just talk amongst yourselves a minute. Oh, there it is. Right. But when you listen to the engine, now, I said it was snappy, but when you're driving along, you'll hear it seems to be very advanced. And I wonder if they've advanced the timing to make up for the loss of power. I really don't know, but we'll go and take it up the hill and I'll shout out the speed it's doing, because this speedometer is just in kilometres an hour, so we'll give you a good indication. And that might account why the oil pressure was so low. Didn't have any in. Right, let's turn round. All the clunking's gone, which is nice. I still need to adjust the steering stops, but they're right on the end of the thread, so... But listen now. That seems really advanced to me. I don't know. It doesn't sound like a TDI. The clutch is good, but that's 40 kilometres an hour and my foot's almost on the floor. 50, 55. I'll tell you something, you won't get a speeding ticket with it. Take it up the hill. Ha, 60-ish. 59. That's 4th gear. 3rd gear, 50. It's like a 2.5 naturally aspirated. Doesn't need a speedo, it needs a cuckoo clock and a calendar. Bloody hell! 4th gear. You should get up here in 5th. 3rd, 50. We're putting out a bit of black smoke. $55. I mean, look, the minimum speed's 60. When you go below the minimum, you're supposed to put your hazard lights on. Listen how knocky it is. an ambulance coming to pick us up. That wasn't very loud, was it? Well, I'm glad this isn't an ambulance. You'd never get there, would you? Patient would have died by the time you got there. Right, 70 kilometres an hour. I was going to say miles an hour. Fifth, it's a beautiful drivetrain now. There's no clunks, bangs, whistles, nothing. It's a really nice drivetrain. Something smells hot. Something smells very hot. I don't know what that is. Could be a bit of oil I spilled. Quite like my GM. I had 110 going along this bit. Come on, baby. Let's go. And I wouldn't have cared. This car's empty. It's got no roof rack, nothing in the back, nothing. Now we're into an 80, 85. I don't even think we can reach the speed limits. Now I'm freewheeling down this hill just to listen to any rattles and bangs or anything like that, and it's kind of nice really. It's a nice drive. It's got no power. 70 goes fast downhill. Oh no, 90. Excuse me, 90. Not bad, eh? If it just went downhill everywhere with it in freewheel, it'd be great, wouldn't it? Get a lot of cops down here in this bottom corner, so you have to sort of be a bit careful. Mind you, they'll all be hiding from COVID-19, no doubt. No riots up here. The mountain's nearly gone. If you've been following this mountain, it's all blasted up now. Then they're going to cut the road all the way through. What time is it? Oh, it's 4 o'clock. People are coming home from work. What work? Tell you something, again, I'm always telling you something, aren't I? That Spanish 110 we went to see a couple of weeks ago, that was like a Ferrari compared to this. Really good. This is just tired. It's either tired, well the turbo's not working, but I am really getting concerned of how much oil it consumed. It was supposed to have been serviced before the guy picked it up from the garage. Yeah, right. Anyway, there we go. African Queen. Oh no, this isn't the African Queen, is it? No, it's the African Prince. He couldn't even be a king or a queen. So let's park this up. Find somewhere to shove it. Now we shove it here. Next to all my boxes. Right. Hope you like that. That was just a little bit of trip. So we'll do, if I get the job of building the engine, we'll do it before and after. But I certainly couldn't do a worse job than that. See you later. Ta-ra.